Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking an SMS app that does not require a Google account. This avoids forced sign-ins. Export your contacts to a local VCF file or move them to the SIM so you can access names offline. Next, confirm your carrier plan actually supports standard SMS. You only need data if you plan to use RCS alternatives. Once these prerequisites are complete, install the chosen APK or F-Droid build and grant only essential permissions to keep things private. Now you install the app from F-Droid or a verified APK. Avoid app stores that demand Google sign-in. When you open the app, import your VCF or SIM contacts, then set the app as the default SMS handler so messages route correctly. Make sure to review permissions and disable network access if you want pure SMS-only behavior, otherwise allow carrier messaging. If you plan to use end-to-end texting like Signal, register using your number and follow the in-app verification steps. Finish by sending a test message to a friend or a second device to confirm sending and receiving work. Verify message center settings, SMSC, if messages fail, and double-check permissions and default app status. If delivery still fails, restart the phone and re-import contacts or reinstall the app. As a tip, contact your carrier to confirm SMS provisioning. Sometimes provisioning or SIM registration blocks non-Google clients. Stay systematic. Change one setting at a time so you can identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.